YouTube? This is me again. This is my analog, I guess it's analog garage stereo system. You know, all the people probably got old stereos. Well, I used to DJ with a friend ages ago, and we had an old Pioneer CDJ 100s. That's an old, what the hell, mixing board my father gave. I think my father gave me, or I bought it. We used it, and I had two of these. They're synced up so you can play CDs back to back. I have an old pile of CDs here, and what I did is I bought an old Sony. Actually, you know what? The Sony thing is the receiver is mine, but the CD player somebody left here. They ripped me off, so I put it up there. But basically, I just took an old receiver, plugged it into two old, archaic, no longer used pieces of, what do they call that? Extinct DJ equipment. Plugged a mixing board in the middle, jacked it in. I didn't have the right. I got to get newer cables because I need a RCA to quarter-inch jack. So I just jerry-rigged it with two connectors, and then one of them has a humming. You got to adjust the cable and just pop the CD in there. And who needs a fancy garage thing? I did have I don't know where I put it. I had a Samsung tablet for a while that played MP3s, but when you load 10,000 MP3s on a tablet, the thing just crashes. And in the winter in here, it gets so cold the tablet freezes and doesn't work. So, anyway, the heating is the next problem. But yeah, just wanted to tell people, if you're going to create a sound system in your garage, think outside the box. There's tons of old receivers available. There's one speaker. I have the other one at my house. I got to bring it here. I have thousands of CDs, and well, I used to DJ. So, here, set it up, and boom. There's my garage sound system. I play it, but I don't want to get into any copyright shit with YouTube. So, anyway, think outside the box. Enjoy.